Hey guys, hello, hi Shivangi, hi Ninja Hatori, hi Ghost, hi Vikas, hi Garang. Garang, I already promised in the group, huh? So you're just doing the same things here. Hi Poolam, hi Om, hi, hello, how are you guys? Hi Trisha, uh, hi Linga sir, good afternoon. How are you, Linga sir? Are you happy? Are you fine? I guess you are also enjoying staying at home, isn't it? I am good, Smriti. How are you? Yes, so you all are also enjoying, isn't it? Today is my birthday. Happy birthday, Shavin. Are you kidding me? Okay. So many happy returns of the day, Sharwin. Yeah, we want a party. Ma'am, blank slide पे sign करके दो. No. You have to believe in me. You have to believe in me, Gaurang. You should believe your teacher, isn't it? Happy birthday party though. Yes, we want party. We want party. Yes, Sarthak. Okay, please call me Sarthak Ninja. So, Sarthak, you should add Sarthak. हाँ, ठीक है. Before your name, otherwise I will forget it that I have to call you Sarthak Ninja and not Ninja. Yes, what is the number I gave? Adi, it's been so long. I guess you gave a number 4 in the feedback. Ma'am, sign the. Okay, Garang, I will sign it. Okay. So उसके बाद मेरी प्रॉपर्टी ले ली तो गौरांग ने what will I do? Yes, hi, good afternoon, Isha. How are you guys? काफी break हो गया है, so you enjoyed your Saturday, Sunday. What did you do? Tell me. Yes, मैम दे दीजिए. Hi, Deep. Hi, Mehak. Hi, Aparna. So, what you guys did? बताओ. Which is your favorite cartoon? I like Mr. Bean animated. Abhi the like I just watch it whenever I'm having my dinner. Otherwise, I also like Dragon Ball Z, जो पहले आता था, अब नहीं आता है. Session replay दिखा देना कोड को. अच्छा. Okay, yes, Nihira, you are also there, ma'am. Just saw you. Hi, Amisha. Hi, Vikas. Movie देखी? कौन सी movie? Which movie? Yes, we have plenty of time. We can talk about it. Don't worry. Okay, chalo. So, hi, Tamanna. Oh, new headphone just arrived. Wow, that's ma'am. Power Rangers, हाँ Power Rangers भी बहुत देखा यार. अभी तो I don't get time to watch anything actually. Okay, yes, I remember you. Oh, okay. So, can I turn off the chat box now? Shall we continue? Shinchan. Oh. ठीक है, sir. Linga sir has joined us for the session. Give your greetings to sir. He would be helping us out throughout the session. ठीक है. So I am gonna turn off the chat box. Yay! Hi Sanjana. Get set go. Yes, now the chat is turned off. कोई बात नहीं, फिर से बातें करेंगे. ठीक है. Session से 5 मिनट पहले because we just have to see how to balance the chemical equations. वो तो ऐसे कर लेंगे. उसके बाद we will have chit chat. Okay. Chalo. So let's focus on the class. So today particularly we will be talking about how do we balance the chemical equations. इससे पहले I gave you the rough idea of the chemical equations that on the left hand side, जैसे ये वाला left hand side को हम क्या लिखते हैं? We are having the reactants, the substances which are reacting with each other, the older substances. ठीक है? जिसने react किया and they are forming new substances, those are written on the right hand side. They are known as products. ठीक है, जो नई चीज बनती है. For example, I will say hydrogen is reacting with oxygen to form water. So hydrogen oxygen क्या है? They are the reactants because they are reacting with each other. Product कौन है? That is the water. What I am getting. ठीक है, so on the right hand side to the arrow we write the products. On the left of the arrow we write the reactants. ठीक है, so we just saw the basics of the chemical reactions, chemical equations. Today we will learn the balancing. हाँ, सिर्फ balancing ही पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, और कुछ नहीं. चलो, so let's have a question on the screen. You tell me, burning of magnesium ribbon in the air will produce dash. Do you remember? Like देखो, magnesium ribbon था. It's not ऐसे वो वाला ribbon नहीं है, ये बाल में लगाने वाला. This is normal, a very thin metal wire. You have taken magnesium ribbon, burning it. ठीक है, burning it मतलब burning will happen in the presence of oxygen, right? Automatically add oxygen. So you will be getting what? Magnesium oxygen are reacting to give magnesium hydroxide. So I will be helping you. I will write the formula here. Okay, magnesium hydroxide, magnesium carbonate, मैग्नीशियम डाइऑक्साइड, राइट, और मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड आपको बताना है व्हाट यू वुड बी गेटिंग, ठीक है। सो मैग्नीशियम इज बर्न्ड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एयर एंड यू विल बी गेटिंग व्हाइट डेजलिंग फ्लेम, है ना। आई शोड यू द रिएक्शन, फुलझड़ी की तरह रिएक्शन होगा, सो यू हैव टू मेंटेन द डिस्टेंस। सो यू टेल मी व्हाट विल यू बी गेटिंग इन द रिएक्शन, हाइड्रोक्साइड, कार्बोनेट, मैंगनीज डाइऑक्साइड या फिर मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड, ठीक है। दैट इज मैग्नीशियम, सॉरी मैंने मैंगनीज लिख दिया, आई एम सो सॉरी, मैंने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया, दैट इज मैग्नीशियम, ठीक है। मैंने मैंगनीज लिख दिया, आई विल जस्ट करेक्ट इट, या मैग्नीशियम डाइऑक्साइड MgO2 या फिर MgO, ठीक है, अभी सही है। चलो, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन इन 3, 2 एंड अटैक, गो फॉर इट। स्मृति, इतना बड़ा नाम स्मृति ने लिखा है। Okay, Isha, star of my parents and teachers. Okay, I see. Mehak, you have marked it B. Yog is saying C. Yogya is also saying C. मैग्नीशियम डाइऑक्साइड MgO2। अच्छा, चलो देखते हैं, few students are left, mark your answers, very good। चलो, on the fastest fingers list, can we make it? Oh my god, that's amazing। That Vansh, what did you mark? I want to know। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट ने मैग्नीशियम डाइऑक्साइड किया है। उन्होंने क्या किया, देखो, उन्होंने सोचा अरे मैग्नीशियम O2 के साथ बनाओ MgO2, Mg है, रिएक्ट करेगा O2 के साथ, बट यू ऑल्सो हैव टू सी द वैलेंसीज, ठीक है। मैग्नीशियम, अगर आप ऑक्साइड का फॉर्मूला भी डिराइव करते हो यूजिंग क्रिस क्रॉस मेथड, देन यू शुड नो दैट मैग्नीशियम इज हैविंग अ वैलेंसी 2 एंड ऑक्सीजन इज ऑल्सो हैविंग वैलेंसी 2। सो क्रिस क्रॉस करो, criss and cross, what you are getting? Magnesium 2O2, so they will cancel out and you would be getting magnesium oxide, ठीक है। MgO2 पे तो चार्ज भी बैलेंस नहीं है, because magnesium is having +2 charge, 1 oxygen has -2, so 2 oxygens will be having -4 charge, this is not balanced, right? You have marked it right, we will be getting magnesium oxide but not the dioxide, only 1 oxygen। magnesium is having +2, oxygen -2, charge will be balanced also, ठीक है। किया था ना क्लास 9 में, you have done it, that how do we derive the chemical formulas of some ionic compounds using criss cross method, so you will be getting this, ठीक है। अब जिसने कार्बोनेट मार्क किया है, you think what happens in a chemical reaction, just a rearrangement of atoms, ठीक है। अगर मैंने मैग्नीशियम और ऑक्सीजन लिया था, so only the rearrangement between magnesium and oxygen will happen। कार्बन तो था ही नहीं, कार्बन तो you didn't took in the reactant, so how will you get magnesium carbonate? For magnesium carbonate, at least you should have some carbon source, कुछ तो कार्बन का कंपाउंड होना चाहिए, है ना, because only rearrangement happens in the chemical reactions, so you cannot add any external element from your side, ठीक है। so magnesium hydroxide मिलेगा नहीं, because hydrogen तो you have not taken in the reactants, and in a chemical reaction only rearrangement of atoms happen, bond formation and bond breakage दोनों साथ साथ, ठीक है। so you would be getting MgO, so D will be the correct answer। and थोड़ा सा practice किया करो, if you are finding any difficulty in the molecular formulas, then you can also revise chapter number 3 class 9th atoms and molecules, ठीक है। if you open your book, अगर है आपके पास नहीं है, so otherwise I will share the PDF, ठीक है। so you can just go through some basic charges and the valencies so that things become clear with you, okay। anyway, chalo, let's have the next question। in a word equation, the reactants are placed at dash, reactants the older substances, so अगर एक word equation है, where will you keep the reactants, okay। so I am writing, you are getting this reaction, ठीक है। reactants will be written on left of the arrow, right of the arrow, above the arrow or below the arrow, where you will be writing the reactants, We are not talking about products, we are talking about reactants. So you have to tell me word equation में reactants कहाँ रखेंगे. So I will be starting the question in 3, 2, and there we go. Very good. Isha, Yuvraj, and Pranavi, they are saying on the right hand side. Are you sure? Reactants, not products. Oh my god, that's amazing. That's amazing, huh? Wow, 10% students are saying right inside, right inside. So reactants कौन है? They are the old substances. ठीक है. So अगर आप देखो राइट से तो उर्दू लिखते हैं हम, है ना. So I will be writing from here शिल्पी and फिर उसके बाद I will be writing कौशिक. Like उल्टा तो मैं लिख भी नहीं पाऊंगी. Isn't it? So ऐसे तो उर्दू लिखते हैं. राइट टू लेफ्ट तो उर्दू लिखी जाती है ना. So you have to, जैसे हम नॉर्मल हिंदी लिखते हैं, we start from here. लेफ्ट टू राइट, ऐसे ही रिएक्शन लिखते वक्त भी वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट एंड वी गो टू द राइट. सो ओल्डर सब्सटेंसेस वी विल बी राइटिंग फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट. ठीक है, लेफ्ट से हम रिएक्शन लिखना शुरू करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैग्नीशियम इज बर्न्ड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन टू फॉर्म मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. If I am writing from right hand side, that would be magnesium is reacting with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. ये देखो, ये तो देखने में भी अजीब लगता है ना. So you will be writing always you have to write your reactants at the left hand side of the arrow. In normal flow हम लिखते हैं left to right. Right. So older substances we write on the left and new substances we write on the right. Older substances are known as reactants, new substances are known as products. What do we write above and below the arrow? यहाँ पर क्या लिखते हैं? We write any temperature or the pressure condition. Like I will say this reaction is happening at 5 atmospheric pressure. So I will mention above the arrow 5 atm. That is a unit of pressure, atmosphere. Okay, so if I say reaction is happening at 48 degrees Celsius, so I can mention that below the arrow above. या फिर catalyst is there, the catalyst will be increasing the rate of the reaction. Let's say reaction पहले हो रहा था 250 days में, ठीक है. So that was very slow है ना. So that was around 1 year. So now you decided, यार मुझे तो जल्दी करना है reaction, I will be adding a catalyst in the reaction. ठीक है. So हम catalyst add करते हैं, they will be increasing the rate of the reaction. Now the reaction will be completed in just 2.5 hours. हाँ, that's amazing. So अगर कोई catalyst है वो भी आप mention कर सकते हैं above or below the arrow. Let's say I have taken nickel. ठीक है. So these are the things, temperature, pressure और catalyst तो we mention above or below the arrow. And left में we are having reactants, right में we have our products, right? So that is the whole thing you have to remember, so that we can also understand balancing. Okay, चलो, now let's go to the next part. Before that, leaderboard. अरे ये ठीक नहीं किया leaderboard इन लोगों ने. Like इतना छोटू छोटू सा दिख रहा है ना. Anyway, last में I will take a screenshot, I will show you. Okay, चलो. So let's go to the next thing that we have to learn, the balancing. देखो, balancing करने के बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. First of all, let's see how to identify a chemical equation is unbalanced. ठीक है. बैलेंस करने से पहले पता तो होना चाहिए ना ये बैलेंस नहीं है. And you tell me a reaction is written in front of you, burning of magnesium ribbon. You have taken a magnesium wire, you are burning it. वही same reaction, dazzling flame मिलता है जिसमें exothermic reaction है ना, heat energy is released in the reaction. So you tell me that whether this is a balanced one or not. So you tell me how many magnesium atoms are there in the left hand side and right hand side of the arrow. Wait a minute. like it's raining here. So I was saying, you tell me, reaction is given to you, how many magnesium atoms are there in the left? ये वाली साइड कौन सी है? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, ठीक है. ये वाली कौन सी है? राइट. मैम ये क्या बता रहे हो, हमें पता है. सो बताओ कितने मैग्नीशियम, यू जस्ट हैव टू काउंट मैग्नीशियम, ठीक है. हाउ मेनी मैग्नीशियम आर देयर ऑन द लेफ्ट, how many magnesium atoms are there on the right? You are provided with two options, 1 2 1 1. Count karo and let me know what is the answer. Simple maths. आगे खोलो and open. How many magnesium atoms are there on the left and right? ठीक है. So I will be starting it in 3 2 and attack. Some guys need to wear the specs. Rashi, Pranavi, what you are marking? How do you see the other one? Let me see. Isha, you have also marked it. The same answer as Pranavi and Rashi. अरे सारी girls एक साथ हो गई. Yes ma'am, we to only see just so many students have done this. Okay, let's see how many of you are having some defected eyes. So मुझे पता चलेगा. अच्छा, आदि को चश्मा लगा हुआ है ना. I guess he's not wearing the specs like ma'am. Oh my goodness, 13% students of our class, they don't have 6x6 vision. Guys, what happened? Tell me. कहाँ से आए? 2 मैग्नीशियम कहाँ है राइट में? मुझे बताओ. Like how did you get it? How did you get 3? Yes, tell me. I want to know from you. जिसने भी किया है मैम 1 and 2 misclick हो गया. How did you get it? Pranavi, tell me. So that was a misclick, isn't it? So I want to know how you guys got 2 on the right hand side. Tell me. Creative लोग हो. Okay, चलो. So so I'm turning up the chat box. देखो, सिंपल मैथ्स है, अपनी तरफ से कुछ नहीं करना, ठीक है. बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन नहीं पूछा था. इफ यू हैव मार्क 1 2, आई गेस आपने शायद बैलेंस्ड रिएक्शन बताया, लेकिन क्वेश्चन ने सिंपल पूछा था, हाउ मेनी मैग्नीशियम एटम्स आर देयर ऑन द लेफ्ट, हाउ मेनी मैग्नीशियम आर देयर ऑन द राइट. देखो, आई विल जस्ट गो ऑन द लेफ्ट. आई नीड ओनली मैग्नीशियम. सो मुझे कितना मैग्नीशियम मिला? आई कैन तो ओनली सी 1 मैग्नीशियम, ठीक है. सो 1 मैग्नीशियम ऑन द लेफ्ट, ठीक है. नाउ आई विल गो ऑन द राइट. राइट में मैग्नीशियम इज प्रेजेंट है. हाउ मेनी मैग्नीशियम एटम्स आर देयर? 1 is there, है ना. Only 1 is there. So how many magnesium atoms are there? 1 and 1. Now can you tell me about the oxygen? How? अभी सही से काउंटिंग करना, ठीक है. अभी क्वेश्चन है, how many oxygens? ये oxygens on the left hand side and this oxygen on the right hand side. Tell me, how many oxygens are present on the left and the right? First option 2 0, that is 2 on the left, 0 on the right. Second is saying 2 on the left and 1 on the right. Oxygen के बारे में बताना है. Oxygen, ठीक है. Ma'am will start the quiz in 3 2 and attack. अभी तो चश्मा लगाओ. युवराज ने तो जानबूझ के किया है, आई नो दैट. एंड और किसने किया? फाइन, आई गेस नो वन एल्स. वेरी गुड. पूनम ने भी किया, पूनम ने भी. वेरी गुड. मार्क इट. एंड महक एंड प्रणवी ये तो इंटेंशनली कर रहे हैं. आई गॉट टू नो इट नाउ. मुझे पता चल गया. दे आर डूइंग इट इंटेंशनली. हाँ guys, देखो, इंटेंशनली मत किया करो. योर परफॉर्मेंस ऑन द लीडर बोर्ड विल बी अफेक्टेड. मैम, वी डोंट वांट टू कम ऑन लीडर बोर्ड. ओके, वेरी गुड. So congratulations guys, I am giving you 6x6 vision qualified from ma'am. Wow. So see, देखो, ऐसा तो कभी नहीं हो सकता. zero तो होगा ही नहीं. If you know rearrangement happens in the chemical reaction, if there is some element on the left, it has to be there on the right. ठीक है. ऐसा नहीं होगा लेफ्ट में था, आपने पहले तो लिया, अभी वो गायब. सो इट विल नॉट हैपन, ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू जस्ट काउंट सिंपली. देखो, 2 ऑक्सीजन एटम्स आर देयर ऑन द लेफ्ट, O2. इट मींस 2 ऑक्सीजन्स, right? And MgO में only 1 oxygen is there, so 2 and 1. So now you tell me, is this chemical reaction balanced? Can you tell me? I will again start it. Okay. Yes, it is balanced. No, it is not balanced. You have to tell me, क्या burning of magnesium reaction written on the front of your screen, is this a balanced chemical equation? Do you agree? क्या ये balanced है? Are all the atoms on both the sides equal? Do you really think that this is balanced? Start it in 3, 2 and go. Mark it. क्या balanced है ये equation? You have to tell me, is this a balanced chemical equation? I guess many students are also from the ninth class. They would be having certain issues in the balancing. शायद balancing में उनको problem भी हो सकती है थोड़ी. Anyway, very good. Mark the answers. Is this a balanced chemical equation? So first of all, you have to count total number. Very good. Okay, so this is not a balanced chemical equation. Why? What is the reason? देखो, आपने magnesium लिया, you have taken oxygen, and on the left you are having 2 oxygen, right? Only 1. ये तो unfair है. Oxygen will be like, magnesium is happy, I am not, because where is my 1 atom? I was initially having my friend also. We were 2 friends. Now where is my another friend? Where is my another oxygen? So the reaction is unbalanced. ठीक है? So इतनी क्या problem होती है unbalanced chemical equation में? Why are we even balancing the chemical equation? Let me just see whether they have added it here. हाँ. So actually there was this scientist who is also known as father of modern chemistry, Antoine Lavoisier. So उन्होंने एक law दिया था Dalton के time पे. If you remember Dalton's atomic theory that you did in the 9th standard, उससे पहले ही थोड़ा सा this law was given, the law of conservation of mass. And law ने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली. The law said that whenever a chemical reaction is taking place, total mass should be conserved. ठीक है? उसका मतलब क्या है? Let's say you are going to the market and you have to purchase 2 kgs of onions, right? So whenever the vendor is giving you 2 kgs of onion, you always have a quick check at the weight, है ना? वो जो weight होता है, you are also saying ध्यान से तो दिया है ना? You have an eye on that, है ना? Whether he is weighing accurately or not. Your mom would be saying भैया कम है ये और डालो, है ना? So it happens. What your mom is exactly doing? She is making sure that the total mass on the left is equal to total mass on right on the weighing balance, right? So if that mass is equal, you will be getting exact 2 kgs of onions, है ना? जब यहाँ 2 kgs of weight होगा, यहाँ 2 kgs of onion, both of them will become balanced. Otherwise वो ऐसे होगा. It will keep on fluctuating, isn't it? So on the same note, you can understand the law of conservation of mass. So Sir Lavoisier said that whenever a chemical reaction is taking place, let's say A and B are reacting to form AB. Rather, I will take this. A2 and B2 are reacting to form AB. Then he said that if you have taken 10 grams of A2 and B2, then on the product side also you have to get 2 grams. ठीक है? कभी भी अगर chemical reaction होगी, there cannot be a mass loss, right? That's what he stated. He stated that just like your law of conservation of energy is there that you study normally in the physics and chemistry, like energy can also not be destroyed or created. That is also conserved in a reaction. It can only be transferred. Right. Similarly, you are having the law of conservation of mass. It says that अगर कोई chemical reaction हुआ, you have given 10 grams of reactants. On the products, you have to get 10 grams. So total mass has to be balanced at any cost. Otherwise, the reaction will not take place. Right. So in order to justify the law, हमने क्या डिसाइड किया? That total mass on both the sides can be equal if only the total number of atoms are equal. ठीक है? अगर atoms equal होंगे, mass will also be equal, isn't it? So to balance the atoms only, to equate the atoms on both the sides, we do the balancing of the chemical equations. ठीक है? For example, 2 atoms of A are there on the left. 2 atoms of B are there on the left. अब भी अगर आप right में देखोगे, only 1 atom of A and 1 atom of B is there. So this is not possible according to Sir Antoine Lavoisier. He said that mass equal कैसे होगा if atoms are not equal. ठीक है? So in order to balance that mass, what we do, we balance the chemical equations. We are balancing total number of atoms, that if you had taken 2 A atoms, 2 B atoms, then you have to get 2 A and 2 B respectively on the product side also. ठीक है? So in order to justify law of conservation of mass, law of, ये क्या लिखते हैं, लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास, वी डू द बैलेंसिंग. ठीक है? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ऑन विच लॉ आर यू बैलेंसिंग द केमिकल इक्वेशंस? यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास गिवन बाय फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न केमिस्ट्री, सर एंटोनी लेवोइसियर. ठीक है? इन्होंने बोला, सो वी जस्ट डू इट. लेवोइसियर, आई गेस यू हैव हर्ड द नेम. 9th में बहुत किया है, इनका आपने नाम सुना है. One more law was there that you did in 9th, that was given by Joseph Proust, if you remember, law of constant proportion. So you have to keep this thing in mind. ठीक है? Okay, now the next point, how do we balance the chemical equation? So basic rules I will be telling you that are very important to understand. Let's say I am just taking a normal reaction. Hydrogen is reacting with oxygen to form water. You sense that oxygen are not balanced. या rather वही वाली reaction लेते हैं जो भी आपने ली पहले, magnesium oxygen. Okay, that is also very simple one. So I have taken magnesium. You are burning in the presence of oxygen. You were getting magnesium oxide, not dioxide, if you remember. ठीक है? देखो. So now the thing is that the reaction is not balanced. Why? Magnesium तो है balanced, लेकिन oxygen atoms are not balanced. And in order to call a reaction a balanced one, every atom that is present on the left must be equal to atom present on the right. Every atom, सारे ही atoms equal होने चाहिए on both the sides. You have to keep in mind. Okay, so magnesium, oxygen is not balanced. So the very first thing that comes to the mind of the students is that अरे I have to balance oxygen, चलो कर देता हूँ, हो गई balance. So you cannot do this. ठीक है? So never write it in your notebook. Never change or add, or rather change the subscript. ठीक है? कभी सबस्क्रिप्ट मत चेंज करना, because for you it is only a subscript, but for this molecule you'll be like, अरे MgO2, what are you doing? Don't play with me. ठीक है? So you don't have to play with the composition of the formula. ये करना allowed नहीं है. ठीक है? So balancing में if you think ऐसे कर दूंगा, O2 लगा दूंगा, हो गई balance. This is wrong. So you will never touch the subscript. ये तो allowed है ही नहीं. नीचे वाला section you are not allowed to touch. Then ma'am, how will we balance the equation? So देखो, what you are allowed to do for the balancing, you are just allowed to add some coefficients. What are coefficients that you do in the maths? जैसे I have written a quadratic equation, 2x square plus 4x minus 6. What is the coefficient of x square? 2. ठीक है? What is the coefficient of x? 4. So similarly, I am just using the word coefficient here. जैसे coefficient होगा, that the term that you would be adding in front of the symbol. ठीक है? यहाँ पर जो भी हम whole number use करेंगे, that is the coefficient. So you cannot write 2 here, but you can write 2 here. Okay, so you have to balance it using the smallest whole number. ठीक है? I am writing smallest whole number as the coefficient. Smallest whole number as coefficient can be added. देखो, it's not necessary it should be a whole number. I will tell you, जब आप senior classes में जाते हो, you don't even pay attention. ठीक है? आप you can use the fractions also, but we don't prefer the use of fractions up to 10th standard. The reason is that sometimes it becomes very confusing. जैसे you have to just balance this. अगर इसको balance करने के लिए you can also write half here. ठीक है? Half O2 means 1 oxygen. So this reaction is balanced this way also, but we don't use the fractions till the 10th standard. Senior classes में you can use it. So we have to avoid the fractions. We will be using smallest whole number as the coefficient. That is the rule. And second thing, I guess you can count the atoms. Atoms to count कर लोगे ना. Let's say it is written 2 magnesium oxide. How will you count the atoms? It means ये जो 2 है ना, it is in multiplication with the whole unit. राइट. सो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है it is having 2 magnesium and 1 oxygen. It means that 2 ही magnesium है and 2 ही oxygens है. ठीक है. So that's how you have to count. If I'm writing 2O2, how will you count it? 2 into 2. ठीक है. You have to multiply it. It means 4O. Right. So if ma'am is writing 6O2, so ये नहीं करना है 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 oxygen. You have to multiply the coefficient, right, with the total atoms. So you will be writing 6 into 2, that is 12 oxygens. You can do this very basic thing, right? Okay, so now let's come to the balancing. So देखो बैलेंसिंग करने के लिए देर आर अ लॉट नंबर ऑफ वेज, स्पेशली 10th क्लास स्टूडेंट्स. इफ यू आर हेयर, आई वांट यू टू पे एक्स्ट्रा अटेंशन इन द टॉपिक, बिकॉज एक क्वेश्चन जरूर आएगा एग्जाम में, एक से ज्यादा भी आ सकता है इस बार. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी 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 अटेंटिव. ओके, सो बैलेंसिंग करने का वी हैव द वेरी फर्स्ट मेथड, हिट एंड ट्रायल. What is the meaning of hit and trial method? Like you are not following any arrangement, as the name is telling you. Yes, purely तुक्का होता है. Like I am writing a reaction in front of you, magnesium reacting with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. So maybe half students will balance magnesium first, maybe half of you will balance oxygen first. So you are doing anything, okay? You are picking any random element, you start balancing it first. That is a hit and trial method. कोई order नहीं follow करते हो, कहीं से भी balancing शुरू करते हो. That is a hit and trial. Okay, so हो गई तो हो गई, वरना नहीं भी होगी. Second method is you are having frequency number method. ठीक है, frequency number. And third, you are also having substituents. हम use करते हैं, we have the binomial वाला thing. ठीक है, so I am not getting into it. So we just assume the functions as a, b, c. We assume the coefficients as a, b, c, and then we just calculate the value. ऐसे होता है, simple maths हम use करते हैं. So now NCERT follows hit and trial method. ठीक है, NCERT follows hit and trial method, but that is very complex. So I will be telling you how to use frequency method hidden. Like hidden way में frequency method कैसे use करेंगे, so that it looks that you are doing hit and trial method, but actually you are also using tricks behind it, right? So because we have to follow NCERT का pattern ही follow करना है exam में, you don't follow any other method, right? चलो, so let's have the equation first of all. देखो, जो बिल्कुल छोटी रिएक्शंस होती हैं, that I will prefer that you use hit and trial method. जो बिल्कुल छोटी रिएक्शंस होंगी उसको hit and trial से करो, सीधा सीधा hit and trial. For example, magnesium reacting with O2 to give MgO. I know most of you already know how to balance, so we are taking from a simple reaction. Okay, so जब एग्जाम में आएगा, you have to make the proper table format, that you just make a table and then you write the balanced one, unbalanced one. ठीक है, so I have written all the elements that are appearing in the reaction. You are having magnesium and oxygen. ठीक है, then number of atoms on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So magnesium atoms on the left, you only told me ma'am it is 1, so मैं लिखूंगी 1. On the right, how many magnesium? You told me, ma'am, 1. I have written 1. Oxygen on the left hand side, you told me, ma'am, देखो 2 oxygen है. I have written 2. On the right hand side, how many oxygens? 1. Clearly, oxygen is not balanced. So देखो, you are having 2 on the left. On the right, you have 1. So you have to make this also 2. I will multiply it by 2. So I cannot write 2 here. Obviously, I'll have to add 2 here. I have balanced oxygen. But since you touched the whole unit, now you have disturbed magnesium also. Magnesium like, अरे मुझे तो multiply करो 2 से, मैं भी तो disturb हो गया. Magnesium is also disturbed. अभी ये वाला magnesium चिल्लाएगा. It's like, अरे what is this? I also need to be balanced, dude. So now you have to multiply this also with the 2. Is this a balanced chemical equation? Can you tell me? क्या ये balanced है? Do you agree? Is this a balanced one? 2, 2, 2, 2. पूरा में it's okay. Click by mistake. It's okay. कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. Yes? Okay. ठीक है, चलो, it's okay. ठीक है, so you are having now 2 magnesium on the left 2 magnesium on the right, 2 oxygens left, 2 right. पूरा हो गया है बैलेंस्ड. अगर नहीं हुआ तो मुझे बताओ मैम दिस इज नॉट बैलेंस्ड. इट्स अ बैलेंस्ड वन. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पर तो दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल वन. ऐसा एग्जाम में नहीं आएगा कभी, राइट? एनीवे simple, normally you have used hit and trial और हो गया balance. Let's take another example. Okay, second one that we will be taking is metal reacting with the normal hydrochloric acid. ठीक है, I will be just erasing it again. I have taken magnesium reacting with hydrochloric acid to form magnesium chloride and hydrogen. ठीक है, एग्जाम में आता है. सो यू हैव टू मेक टेबल अगेन अगेन. अगर टेबल नहीं बनाया बोर्ड वाले नंबर नहीं देंगे. ठीक है. सो आई विल बी राइटिंग ऑल द एलिमेंट्स है. कौन कौन है? मैग्नीशियम इज देयर इन द रिएक्शन. ओके, हाइड्रोजन है एंड क्लोरीन है, राइट? ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. सो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को वी आर हैविंग मैग्नीशियम के हाउ मेनी एटम्स? 1. राइट में हाउ मेनी मैग्नीशियम? 1. करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग. ओके, ठीक है. हाइड्रोजन कितने हैं ऑन द लेफ्ट? 1. ऑन द राइट हाइड्रोजन सिंग आई एम तो 2. ओके, यू आर 2. क्लोरीन, हाउ मेनी क्लोरीन आर देयर ऑन द लेफ्ट? 1. 1 क्लोरीन atom. On the right is saying I am 2, dude. Okay. So now the story is that I am having 2 unbalanced atoms, hydrogen and the chlorine. ठीक है. Let's start balancing from hydrogen. अभी देखो, I am not telling you any sequence. मैंने randomly choose किया hydrogen. I can also pick chlorine. This is the hit and trial method. Okay. So I am just picking hydrogen. So I have taken hydrogen. I can see यहाँ पर on the left I have to make it 2. So I will multiply it by 2. ऐसा थोड़ी है I will be writing 2 है. I can only add the coefficient 2. I will be having 2. Now chlorine is saying, dude, you have disturbed me. I also need to be multiplied by 2. Say, okay. अभी ये वाला chlorine is also happy. Say, अरे I am also balanced. देखो automatically you just balance hydrogen. Chlorine अपने आप ही balance हो गया. Is this a balanced chemical equation? 1 magnesium, 1 magnesium. 2 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens. 2 chlorines, 2 chlorines. Is this a balanced one? Tell me. Is this a balanced one? Okay, हो गया balance. ठीक है, चलो तुषार, let's do some more questions. इसके बाद we will do the quiz. ठीक है, मुश्किल वाले करेंगे, थोड़े से थोड़ी अच्छी वाली reactions करेंगे. Okay, देखो. Focus here now. I am erasing this. Come on, let's do this. We are already doing it. So we have to balance this. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड रिएक्शन आपको देखने में लगेगा. इफ यू गो विद द हिट एंड ट्रायल, यू कैन ट्राई विद द हिट एंड ट्रायल, बट आई विल बी यूजिंग सम ट्रिक्स एंड प्लॉट्स दैट यू विल बी यूजिंग टू बैलेंस द रिएक्शंस नाउ. क्योंकि एग्जाम में छोटा रिएक्शन तो नहीं मिलेगा, ये बात तो फॉर श्योर है, राइट? सो लेट्स हैव सम ट्रिक्स नाउ. देखो, द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट you have to make a table. अपना table बनाओ and you have to make 2-3 table in the board exam. So you have to be very particular about it. So I am writing iron is appearing in the reaction, hydrogen and oxygen. On the left, on the right. How many iron atoms on the left? I can only see 1. On the right, I can see 3. Hydrogens on the left, 2. On the right, 2. ठीक है. Oxygen on the left, 1. On the right, 4 oxygens. देखो, now what we have to do, you can see hydrogen is balanced, iron भी balanced नहीं है, oxygen भी नहीं है. From where we start balancing the chemical equation. So the basic rule is that balancing हमेशा वहां से शुरू करनी है. The element which is appearing least number of times in the whole reaction. Listen to me carefully. The element which is appearing least number of times. If you see iron is appearing 1 time on the left and 1 time on the right. Iron is appearing 2 times in the whole reaction. You don't have to count. Total atoms count नहीं करने हैं, ठीक है? Don't count. अरे मैम 4 बार. So you don't have to count the total atoms. How many times you have written Fe? देखो Fe कितनी बार लिखा है नोटबुक में? Only 2 times. 1 time Fe you are writing Fe. 2 times here and 1 time on the left and 1 on the right. So Fe in the whole reaction is coming twice. ठीक है? हाइड्रोजन कितनी बार आया, 1 टाइम here and 2 time here. अरे hydrogen is also coming how many times, 2 times. Oxygen 1 time here and 1 time. ऑक्सीजन भी 2 है, ये तो किसी काम नहीं आया. सो अदरवाइज इफ यू सी हाउ मेनी टाइम्स अ पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट इज कमिंग इन द होल रिएक्शन, सो यू ऑलवेज स्टार्ट बैलेंसिंग फ्रॉम दैट एलिमेंट विच इज कमिंग लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ टाइम. ठीक है, जो सबसे ज्यादा बार रिएक्शन में आता है यू हैव टू बैलेंस इट एट द लास्ट. नॉर्मली ऑक्सीजन होता है, आई विल शो यू इन द अपकमिंग क्वेश्चंस. ओके, that is the first thing you will see. Next thing is that metals are to be balanced first always. हमेशा you will start balancing from the metals. What is the reason? I tell you, reason ये होता है metals are normally present in the free state. Like देखो, if you have a look at the iron on the left, वो अकेला है, it is not present with any other unit. So we prefer to balance metals first of all. So among Fe, hydrogen and oxygen, you know iron is a metal. We will start balancing from the iron first of all. 3 iron atoms on the right, 1 on the left. I have to multiply it by 3. How can I do that? I will add 3. I have done nothing. I have just balanced the metals first. Right. Now point is that you are left with 2 non-metals. Non-metals हमेशा बाद में balance करने हैं. And you are having 2 non-metals. Remember, hydrogen is there, oxygen is there. Although hydrogen is already balanced here, अगर ना भी hydrogen balanced होता, then you have to pick that element which is lighter. ठीक है, lighter in atomic number you can think, or atomic mass. hydrogen oxygen में से कौन lighter है? Can you tell me which among these is lighter? atomic number किसका कम है? hydrogen और oxygen? hydrogen का कम है. ठीक है, okay, very good. So you will be balancing from that element जिसका atomic number कम है, or you can assume mass also because दोनों एक ही flow में होगा. ठीक है, so now I will balance hydrogen. I will go and check hydrogen. अरे I am the balanced, don't come to me. ठीक है, hydrogen is balanced. I will go to the oxygen. Oxygen at the last. वैसे भी normal reaction oxygen we always touch at the last only. Okay, oxygen is present here. Oxygen 1 on the left, 4 on the right. So in order to balance it, I will multiply it by 4. Right. So यहाँ पर I am writing the reaction again for you. 3Fe plus 4 water is giving me Fe3O4 plus H2. Because I had to balance oxygen, मैंने लगा दिया 4. Now hydrogen will say you have disturbed me. ये वाला बोलेगा hydrogen, अरे मुझे क्यों टच किया? It's like देखो hydrogen कितने हो गए, 4 into 2, 8 hydrogens. So this 4 यहाँ पर भी multiply होगा. On the left you are having 8 hydrogen. So right वाला नहीं बोलेगा balance me also now. How can I balance it? ये भी बोलेगा I also need to be multiplied by 4. So you have to add 4 here also. Is this a balanced chemical equation? ध्यान से देखो, 3Fe, 4 water, 3 iron atoms on the left, 3 on the right, 8 hydrogens on the left, 8 on the right. ठीक है, then you have 4 oxygens on the left, 4 on the right. So now the reaction is balanced. If you do the same question with the help of hit and trial method, your head will be, what is happening? ठीक है, so you follow this trick, you follow this technique in a hidden way that you yourself start balancing from the metals first. ठीक है, अगर 2 metals हुए, जैसे मैम what if 2 metals are there, then pick that metal first whose atomic number is less, or the you can say lighter one. ठीक है, if you know the atomic mass you can use atomic mass. अगर वैसे आपको mass data याद नहीं होगा, so you can take the atomic number. ठीक है, जिसका atomic number कम है you balance from there. If 2 non metals are there, do the same thing. Atomic number कम है जिसका, you balance it first. ठीक है, so doing this what will happen, the remaining atoms are already balanced, they are automatically balanced, right? So that's how you have to do it. अगर board exam में आता है you will be solving this question in this way. Step 1 step wise करना है board के अंदर. ठीक है, this is step 1, then every step you would be explaining in the board exam. Directly balance नहीं करना है reaction. Okay, let's take one more example. एक और रिएक्शन लेंगे ये वाला. ठीक है, Can you tell me what is this process known as? A reaction is written in front of you. Carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight. Sunlight के presence में reaction होगा. Can you tell me the name of the reaction? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, glucose, photosynthesis. Yes, photosynthesis. Okay, so very good. So there's this guy Pranay is saying, Isha is saying, baby, if you have poor network, and Pranay, we just have learned the balancing. Okay, Pranay and Isha, if you join the class late or if you have poor network, first of all watch the recording. Okay, you can get the recording because abhi only 12 minutes are left. I cannot repeat the whole session, है ना? So you can watch the recording. Second thing is that I give you a review. I have done nothing. We are just learning how to balance it. अगर आपने miss कर दिया, this question is still left. You can learn here also. ठीक है, सारी एक ही जैसी चीजें की हैं. We are just doing the practice. This question also I am gonna take it up. So you understand here if you missed anything. Okay. चलो लेट्स बैलेंस इट. फोटोसिंथेसिस दिया है आपको एग्जामिनर ने, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन है. इफ यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट बाय हिट एंड ट्रायल, घर पे ट्राई करना, ठीक है, टाइमर रखना लाइक मोबाइल में और इन लैपटॉप, टर्न ऑन द टाइमर, बैलेंस इट द सेम रिएक्शन बैलेंस बाय हिट एंड ट्रायल, देन बैलेंस इट यूजिंग द फ्रीक्वेंसी मेथड दैट वी आर डूइंग, हिडन फ्रीक्वेंसी. ठीक है, सो यू विल रियलाइज. चलो, so first of all make the table. Where is our table? We will be making the table carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, on the left, on the right. So listen to me. If in case you missed it, फिर से सुनो, यहाँ पर ध्यान दो. How many carbon atoms are there on the left hand side? एक carbon atom. I don't see any other carbon atom. Okay. On the right hand side, how many carbons do you see? 6. I can see 6 carbon. I'm just counting it up. Hydrogens on the left, 2 hydrogens. On the right, 12 hydrogens, 12. Okay. Oxygens on the left, 2 plus 1, 3 oxygens on the left. 6 plus 2, 8 oxygens on the right. मैंने सिर्फ काउंटिंग किया. Any confusion, let us know right now. I have just counted 1 carbon left. 6 में you are having right को 6. ठीक है. I guess I have not missed anything. 2 hydrogens and 12 and 3 and 8. Okay. ठीक है. अभी मैम ने क्या बोला था? First of all, the tip is that first of all you will start balancing from that element which is appearing least number of times in the whole equation. देखो, carbon is appearing 1 time and 1 time. Carbon आया reaction में 2 बार. Just note it down. It will just take 30 seconds, hardly 30 seconds. Hydrogen, how many times? देखो, 1 time here and 1 time here. 2 times hydrogen appeared in the reaction. Oxygen को देखो, oxygen 1 time it is appearing here. Second time, third time and fourth time. 4 बार oxygen आया है पूरे reaction में. So ये बात पक्का है. You will balance in this order. Oxygen तो you will balance at the last. Because ma'am told you the element which is appearing maximum number of times in the reaction, you will balance at the last always. Otherwise, it will be messing up the whole question. You start balancing from oxygen, you will be like, oh, what is happening? ठीक है, so oxygen को बिल्कुल last में touch करना है. Now your question should be, ma'am, carbon and hydrogen are coming equal number of times and दोनों ही non-metals हैं. Where do I start balancing? Ma'am told you 2 non-metals or 2 metals are there. Start balancing from the lighter one. So among carbon and hydrogen, if you remember atomic number, hydrogen is having 1, carbon is having 6. बताओ कहां से बैलेंसिंग करूं, कार्बन या हाइड्रोजन? टेल मी, वेयर शुड आई स्टार्ट बैलेंसिंग फर्स्ट? यस, हाइड्रोजन. ओके, वेरी गुड. हाइड्रोजन से बैलेंसिंग करनी है. यू गॉट इट अक्षत, फ्रॉम हाइड्रोजन. नो बेबी, नॉट द कार्बन. देखो, सम वेरी मार्जिनल स्टूडेंट्स आर सेइंग कार्बन. अक्षत, हाँ, अक्षत इज सेइंग कार्बन. बेबी उससे बैलेंस करना है आपको जो लाइट है, जिसका एटॉमिक नंबर कम है, राइट? अमंग कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन, बोथ आर नॉन मेटल्स, both are coming equal number of times. So you start balancing from that element which is having lesser atomic number. हाइड्रोजन इज हैविंग लेस एटॉमिक नंबर, मैं बैलेंसिंग करूंगी हाइड्रोजन से, ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर दैट यू विल फॉलो इन बैलेंसिंग? हाइड्रोजन followed by carbon followed by oxygen. You will balance in this way. चलो let's balance the hydrogen. अरे क्लियर है, 12 हाइड्रोजन्स ऑन द व्हाट इज दिस, राइट है ना, एंड हाउ मेनी हाइड्रोजन ऑन लेफ्ट, 2. इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 6, दोनों इक्वल, ठीक है. सो आई कैन ऐड 6 here. आई एम राइटिंग द इक्वेशन अगेन फॉर यू. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस 6 वाटर गिविंग मी C6H12O6, दैट इज आवर ग्लूकोज एंड O2, ठीक है. मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया, आई हैव जस्ट एडेड 6 है. नाउ हाइड्रोजन इज बैलेंस्ड. अभी हाइड्रोजन के बाद वेयर विल आई गो? Carbon. Okay, let's see. Carbon is saying I am appearing 6 times on the right, only once in the left. Please add 6 in front of me. I'll say okay. I have multiplied it by 6. Now count the oxygen atoms. 6 into 2, 12 oxygens plus 6 on the left. 18 oxygens are there on the left hand side. Okay. If you go on the right, 6 ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पर है plus 2 oxygens in the free state है, 8 oxygen. It looks like 180. I will remove this. Okay. Now if I have to balance oxygen on the right, अगर मैं इसे टच करूं, if I will be touching it, it will disturb carbon and hydrogen again, so I will not add any coefficient. I can add a coefficient here because यहाँ पर oxygen is present all alone. Right. So tell me what can I add as the coefficient here so that total number becomes 18? Can you tell me मैं क्या add करूँ? Yes. What should I add here? Can you tell me what coefficient? 5. Someone is saying 5. चलो 5 करती हूँ. चलो I will add 5. ठीक है. If you are telling, Yug is telling me मैम 5. देखो Yug, I have added 5. अब count करो, 6 oxygens and 10 oxygen. ये तो 16 हुए. I have to make 18. So 5 is wrong, है ना? 5 तो नहीं आएगा. Now any other choice that you think? 5 से तो बैलेंस नहीं हुई, 1 से भी नहीं हुआ. 6. आदित्य saying 3. 6 से होगा. देखो अगर आप 3 ऐड करोगे, 3 into 2 6 plus 6, that will give me 12 only, है ना? हाँ, I will be adding 6. चलो let's keep 6. Let's keep 6. एक बार ट्राई करते हैं यार, ट्राई करके देखना पड़ेगा आपको, ठीक है. देखो 6 ऐड किया मैंने, 6 plus 6 into 2, 12 plus 6 is 18. क्या रिएक्शन बैलेंस नहीं हुआ? यू आर गेटिंग 6 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, 6 वाटर, 1 glucose and 6 oxygen. The reaction is balanced now. अगर नहीं समझ आता ना, देखो अगर नहीं समझ आता क्या करोगे? If you think ma'am I don't understand whether to add 6 or 5, assume it. What should you add? Like you have to make 6 plus a coefficient, let's say x, into 2 so that it becomes 18. यही तो आपको करना है. You assume it x, you assume this coefficient to be x. If you don't understand it, you have to make it overall equal to 18. ठीक है, क्या होगा? 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 6. यही होता है थर्ड मेथड में. You can also assume it, right? So if you don't understand it directly, you can assume the coefficient and you can calculate it, right? Otherwise directly simple ही होगा. You can get it straightforward. Okay, it's easy है ना? So you will always follow the order. You will always follow this order to balance the chemical equation. ठीक है, हमेशा ये करना. एग्जाम में चाहे जो भी रिएक्शन मिले, हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता. You follow the same pattern always. ठीक है, I am giving you a homework question. Please note it down. Please try this reaction at your home. I will be giving you zinc is reacting with, let's say nitric acid. I have taken concentrated nitric acid. Zinc is reacting. Okay. I will be getting zinc nitrate plus पानी plus नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड. ठीक है, ये रिएक्शन को बैलेंस करना है आपको घर पर. दिस इज योर होमवर्क क्वेश्चन. ये कर लिया so everything would be clear. ठीक है, try to do it, otherwise ma'am will tell you in the next class. Make a table same way. You just make a table and यहाँ पर you are having 4 elements. मैम ने तो 3 वाला कराया, हमें 4 का दे दिया होमवर्क में. That is so unfair, ma'am. That is so unfair. You try. देखो balancing is something that you cannot understand in one class. Balancing is something I need your effort, right? So if I am giving 50%, I need your 50% in return. Then only we can do it. Chalo, let's have a question. Which law is obeyed by a balanced chemical equation? Law of conservation of mass, law of thermal equilibrium, law of conservation of energy, all of these. Okay, which law does a balanced chemical equation follow? So I will be starting the question in 3, 2, and there you go. युवराज जानबूझ के गलत क्यों किया? मैम मैंने तो नहीं किया जानबूझ के, अपने आप ही गलत हो गया, अपने आप किसी ने टैप कर दिया. सो प्रैक्टिस करना इस वाली ट्रिक को, अदरवाइज भूल जाओगे. ठीक है, वी हैव मिक्स्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी. ये जो द नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स एन एलिमेंट इज अपीयरिंग, वी कॉल इट फ्रीक्वेंसी. ठीक है, आई जस्ट डिडंट टेल यू द टर्म, अदरवाइज यू हैव जस्ट लर्न द फ्रीक्वेंसी मेथड ओनली. आदित्य ने क्या मार्क किया? लेट्स सी वेयर आर द रिजल्ट्स. Okay, Aditya also marked option number D. All of them, huh? I know you guys are marking it intentionally. So thermal equilibrium का क्या काम? नहीं, क्या काम यहाँ पे? thermal equilibrium क्या होता है? मैं पूछूं तो बताओ मुझे क्या होता है. मैम ऐसे अच्छा लग रहा था, कर दिया हमने. So you know that is law of conservation of mass. किन्होंने दिया था? Sir Antoine Lavoisier, and having a very good hairstyle, curly hair. Okay, ये बताओ. Law of conservation of mass states that total mass of reactant should be less than total mass of product. Total mass of reactant should be equal to product. Mass of reactant ज्यादा होना चाहिए, product का कम होना चाहिए. None of these. So you tell me law of conservation of mass ने क्या बोला? I will be starting the quiz in 3, 2 and attack. होमवर्क क्वेश्चन ले लेना इसके बाद. ठीक है, लेट मी जस्ट फाइंड गुड होमवर्क क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू. कुछ मुश्किल वाले जैसे फीलिंग आए बैलेंसिंग की. यस, वी आर बैलेंसिंग द रिएक्शंस. सो आई वांट टू गिव यू डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस, वेरी डिफिकल्ट, सम वेरी 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 हार्ड क्वेश्चंस. लेट मी जस्ट सी इफ वी हैव इट. ओके, आई विल गिव यू. वेरी गुड अमन. टोटल मास ऑफ रिएक्टेंट शुड बी मोर. हाँ साहिल, यस मैम, टोटल मास रिएक्टेंट्स का ज्यादा होना चाहिए. बट एंटोनी लेवोइसियर जी ने बोला था नहीं, मास बराबर होना चाहिए. दैट हैज टू बी इक्वल, राइट? सो यू गो सब्जी लेने जाओ, आस्क योर मॉम, मम्मा कम ले लो ना सब्जी वाले को, ज्यादा कम वे करने दो. इज जस्ट कीपिंग 100 grams weight here and saying that you just take the 2 kgs of potatoes, isn't it? So you're like, what? So that has to be equal. Total mass of reactants has to be 2. खुद तो जब जाओगे सब्जी खरीदने, you are very attentive. अरे भैया कम दिया है और दो. And you are saying that total mass of reactant should be higher. So don't try to be over smart. So I will be giving you homework question. Please note it down. ये homework question है अगली क्लास, ये वाला नहीं यार. Not this one, not this one. Some good. हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन लो. ठीक है, टेक दिस क्वेश्चन. ऐसा ही सिमिलर आई हैव गिवन टू यू इन द होमवर्क. आई एम नॉट डूइंग इंटेंशनली. ओके मैम, वी आर नॉट टॉट दीज इन क्लास 9. यस, यू आर नॉट टॉट. ठीक है, देखो दिस होमवर्क क्वेश्चन, टेक इट इन द होमवर्क. नेक्स्ट क्लास व्हेन आई स्टार्ट इट, देन आई विल बी आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन. पहला क्वेश्चन अगली क्लास में ये वाला पूछूंगी. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन टेक ये वाला भी ले लो, इट्स ओके. ठीक है, एंड दिस ऑल्सो. In the next class, I will be giving you some hard questions for the balancing, right? We are sending in Telegram. Yes, you can send me in Telegram. देखो, one more thing, listen to me. देखो, there are students who are saying, ma'am, this is not in 9th class. So let me tell you, 9th class का है ही नहीं ये chapter. This chapter belongs to the 10th class because you are a part of Vedantu subscription. So as an additional advantage, you guys from the 9th standard are also getting the privilege to study the chapter that belongs to class 10th. ठीक है, आपको फायदा मिल रहा है, अदरवाइज स्टूडेंट्स डोंट इवन गेट टू सी क्लास 9th क्लासेस ओनली एंड यू आर गेटिंग एक्सेस फॉर द 10th क्लासेस, ठीक है, फॉर द 10th ग्रेड. सो यू शुड बी थैंकफुल फॉर इट कि आप लोग वो चीज सीख पा रहे हो विच यू हैव टू डू इन फ्यूचर, isn't it? So that is a plus point. Even if you are understanding very thoda sa, ittu sa, that's okay. This doesn't belong to your class. In class 10 students, you have to take it seriously. ठीक है? Clear everything, I guess? Okay. And happy birthday, Shavin, again. Ma'am, should we balance metals first or elements which occurs least number of times? Vismya, that would be metal only. ठीक है? You see a reaction, metal ही होगा पहले जो आएगा, right? So you have to follow ये वाला sequence. You have to follow जो सबसे कम आया, you balance it first, and that will be metal most of the time. ठीक है? So you have to follow that only. मैम साइन करके दो, ठीक है, आई एम साइनिंग इट, आई एम नॉट लीविंग वेदांतु एनी टाइम सून गाइस. क्यों मैं छोड़ूंगी वेदांतु, अभी मैं आई हूँ, अभी आई जस्ट जॉइन इन फरवरी. ओके चलो, आई हैव गिवन यू इन रिटन एंड इट्स 2020 आई गेस. मैम होमवर्क क्वेश्चन वन मोर. Aaron, homework question गुम हो गया. I cannot send it again. We'll share that on the Telegram. Okay. Yes, thank you शिवांगी. रुको, ढूंढने दो यार कहाँ गया. ऐसे मत किया करो मैम, homework question again. देखो मैं गुम हो गई. I don't know कहाँ था वो question. अब तो गया वो question. हाँ मिल गया. चलो, this is the homework question. ठीक है. Now this is the leaderboard. अरे तू छोटे से नाम है. I have to wear my specs, I guess. Gaurang, Sanjay, Komal, Ghost, Payal, Sharvin, Hero. What's that name यार, इतना छोटा क्या है? रुको. No, that is Warrior Supriya. I cannot read that name. I'm sorry. वो क्या है? Mrunal. हाँ, that is your name, I guess. Aaron, Aditya, Om, Vikas, Yug, Trisha, and Aparna. Okay. Okay, ठीक है. So guys, congratulations and we try again. Okay, party after the corona. Okay. ठीक है, sir. I thank you so much, Akshay. Thank you, everybody, and thank you, Linga sir, for being with us in the session. Guys, give your greetings to Linga sir. Telegram link, baby. This is my Telegram ID. ID ले लो, link तो नहीं है कोई मैम के पास. Yes, I am not observed. This is my ID. Okay, right. Okay, Aditya, that's great. So I'll see you in the next session, guys. Thank you so much, and do share your feedback. Take care. Bye bye.